Let's say hello to CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day, who's also the editor of CoinDesk's The State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning.
So, can the IRS tax rewards earned by crypto stakers? It's a question they don't want to go to trial for, apparently.
Yeah, so just a quick bit of background. You may remember we were talking in February about a IRS case. Two individuals who were staking onto Tezos blockchain sued the IRS on, for a refund of the income tax that they charged on the cryptos they earned through staking. Now, at the time, the IRS offered a settlement and offered to refund the two individuals. The two individuals said that they would refuse to accept the refund because they wanted to force a court decision. The IRS filed this week and said that, well, they sent the refund anyway. The court case is over. There is no grounds for it to continue, and therefore, they don't want to deal with this being, perceived as a shift in policy or anything like that. They're just trying to end litigation, move on.
Interesting. Meanwhile,
does this open the door? I was just going to ask, does this open the door for other people to try the same tactic and to see if they can force the IRS's hand here with the courts?
It's very likely. So the IRS, in its arguments, said that they don't see this as being, something that you can really take to trial because every year is a new tax year, and therefore, it'd be a new suit every year. If one person or party were to file multiple suits over several years, then perhaps they might have a chance. But at least for now, it seems this is a non-starter.
Meanwhile, the SEC is investigating whether certain NFTs qualify as securities, according to Bloomberg, right?
Right. So we're talking about fractionalized NFTs here. So, fractionalized NFTs have been this thing where instead of one whole NFT, people are saying like, okay, well, you own, a part of this and it'll give you like X amount of rights, but only for like, Y amount of days, or, however they're divvying that up. And the IRS is basically looking to see if this is, some kind of common enterprise type situation where you have, like an ICO where you have people getting some sort of rights conferred by these tokens that they might not otherwise have, or that, would normally be registered under securities law if it was a non-crypto project.
And finally, you have some further insights into why Ukraine canceled their airdrop of tokens from donators.
So not so much insights, but it does seem that, this was canceled this morning. The Minister for Digital Transformation announced the move on Twitter after a lot of speculation and after a lot of work by various people to try and sort out what exactly was happening. Now, the really, really interesting part is, the government of Ukraine tweeted there would be an airdrop yesterday, but we got like zero details. So, we didn't know what chains this might be on. We didn't know, what exactly the plan was. And that did lead to a lot of, speculation and uncertainty, and even some backlash from individuals who were concerned it might not be on their preferred chain.
I wonder who. My question too is that you had some scam. It seems like some scam accounts, of course, promising airdrops, according related to this. Correct? This kind of course, happens in crypto all the time. Spoofs and what have you. That also happened. Correct?
Right, and in the absence of information, it becomes really easy to set up a scam account or to find ways of manipulating certain tokens to make it seem as if they might be the preferred or the token that will be involved. And unfortunately, it does seem to have happened this time.